Hi, it's James from Guitars for Bars. Just wanted to make a quick video of this speaker cabinet I'm building. It's almost done. I just got to put the back on it yet. But I painted it with Rustoleum hammered finish paint out of a can, the kind that you use a brush with, not the spray stuff. I use the kind that comes in a quart can. And I think it looks pretty cool. I'm thinking about using this on a guitar. So I wanted to know what you guys thought. So in the comment section, please leave me a note about it if you think I should or shouldn't. So it looks pretty neat. And I thought paint one to match the cabinet. Okay, it's a 12-inch PVPA speaker I've got in there, and I use a crate 150 watt power block with it, just so you know. And it's pretty loud. Sounds good. Anyway, this stuff is harder. If you scratch it with your fingernail, you can't really see a scratch. Not like that stuff on the Skull Rock guitar. That thing, you can scratch that pretty easy. I got some belt buckle scratches in it now. But this, you can't really see nothing. That's pretty cool. Stuff's pretty hard. It chips. If you whack it, with something, it'll chip. But it's got a cool look to it. Real metal. So, in the comment section, please leave me yes, paint a guitar with this stuff, or no, don't bother. Thanks. Bye-bye.